Like many urban development projects, the City Council's plan to build a new bridge to connect Ian's suburb to the city centre comes with many consequences for different people. For Ian, commuting to the city centre will become much easier. But Mel will be facing a new road splitting her old neighbourhood in two parts. Most problems in society touch upon many dimensions, just as plans to mitigate them. The Bridgestone case offers a clear example. The decision to build a bridge has consequences for the accessibility of town, traffic safety, the value of real estate, the ecology of the riverbank, the economy of the city, recreation at the riverbank, the ease to go visit the forest, disturbances due to construction, and many more. Ian and Mel both are well aware of the different pros and cons of building this bridge. Whereas Ian is more in favor of the bridge as it will make his commute more comfortable and will benefit the economy of Bridgestone, he is also aware of the safety and environmental concerns of Mel. And Mel perfectly understands that the bridge would make life much easier for Ian and other people living in Riverside. Considering all these outcomes, Ian has the opinion that is moderately in favor of building the bridge. While Mel acknowledges the importance of the bridge for the Riverside commuters and the economy, the safety of her child and the loss of her daily riverbank walk with her dog are important to her. Hence, Mel is moderately against building the new bridge. We can put the opinions of Mel and Ian on a single line that indicates their opinion. On the left-hand side, the opinion is against the bridge, and on the right-hand side, the opinion is in favor. A middle position indicates a neutral position. Now, we place the positions of Ian and Mel on this line. And, as you can see, Ian is a bit more in favor of the bridge, while Mel is a bit more against the bridge. When Mel and Ian meet in the lobby of the swimming pool, they talk about how the bridge would affect their lives. Ian becomes more aware of how a bridge would impact Mel's life. And Mel learns how the bridge would make life easier for Ian. When Ian and Mel discuss, they understand and accept each other's perspectives and interests. As a result, their opinions move a bit to each other. In the social judgment theory, we call this process assimilation. When people have minor differences in their opinion, it is likely that they will find common ground and become more similar. In contrast, when people differ strongly on an important issue, they may drift apart. For example, when Ian meets a radical environmentalist student who does not care at all about the economy of Bridgestone, it is likely that Ian will emphasize the importance of the economic argument. When this student rejects Ian's arguments, an unpleasant dispute may develop, and as a result, Ian may move away from the anti-bridge position. In the social judgment theory, we call this a contrast effect. The same contrast effect may happen when Mel encounters a businessman at a party who rejects her environmental concerns, and for whom only the economic benefits for Bridgestone count. Due to the contrast effect, Mel is likely to move further to the anti-bridge position. We see that after these contrasting experiences, Ian has become more in favor of the bridge and Mel more against. How would this affect their next talk in the swimming pool? Could they have drifted so far apart that the next discussion between them would be more confrontational? Could they also end up in a contrast effect? Scaling this up, we know that thousands of people are talking with each other about the bridge. Some do not care too much about it. Others are very involved and perhaps even organize themselves in protest groups. Politicians, leading business people, and environmentalist groups may share their views in local newspapers, radio, and TV. Posts on social media may incite fierce discussions, sometimes ending with swearing, abusive language, and threats. Even physical aggression may be displayed. Other people may be afraid to share their opinion and comply with the opinion of their friends to avoid conflict. How to avoid the escalation of such discussions is an important challenge, as ending up in a heavily polarized situation may damage the social fabric of Bridgetown.